Good day, children. In the last class, we have started the lesson A Dream of Surgery. And you know what are the characters in the story? The characters are, the main character is Tricky the dog, because the whole story revolves around the dog. Next is Mrs. Pampere, who is the owner of the pet. She is also the mistress of the house. And next we are having this Hodgin, the servant. He comes only once in the story, and after that we are having I. I as the character is the narrator. His name is James Harrier, and he is the veterinary doctor. You know, here till now what we have completed in the previous class. Tricky the dog, he was overfed by Mrs. Pampere and it falls seriously ill. Besides the warnings of the doctor, she keeps on feeding the dog, no exercise, and lastly what the doctor does, he takes Tricky to his hospital and he is hospitalized. And when he is taking the dog, all the servant, Mrs. Pampere, they were in tears. We have completed till that. Now let us continue further. So now what is going to happen at the surgery there? At the surgery, the household dogs surged around me. So as soon as the doctor took Tricky to the hospital, there were not only, Tricky is not the only dog in the surgery there were many dogs there. All the dogs came and it was around the doctor. Surged here means came. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. So the doctor took Tricky to the hospital, and when he put the dog at the noisy pack. Now what is this noisy pack? Noisy means the sound made in this particular line. Noisy means the sound made by the dogs. Pack. Pack means a group of dogs is called as, we use the word as pack. Like for people we use crowd. For dogs we use pack. Now Tricky, he was put down in the group of dogs there. What is the word used there? Pack. It was in his dull eyes. Whose eyes was dull? Tricky's. And when it was put down, it laid there motionless. It was not moving. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. So you see, whenever a new dog comes into the group or in the pack of dogs, what happens there? Other all dogs come around. Some will be barking. Now these dogs, what they were doing, they were sniffing. Means trying to smell what type or which dog it is. Tricky did not show any signs of showing any improvement or something. So the dogs, it sniffed around and moved away from there. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. So the doctor made a separate bed for Tricky, near to the other dogs. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. 2 days the doctor did not give any food for Tricky to eat, but he gave him plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third day, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. So, first day the dog was there, Tricky was there where he was put. Second day, at the end of the day, he was able to show some improvement in his life there, and he took some interest in the surroundings. And third day, he started to whimper. Whimper here means making some sounds when other dogs were all making sounds in the yard. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. So the doctor, when he heard Tricky making noise, he opened the door. As soon as the door was opened, the Tricky came outside. Engulfed here means joined by, spread by. engulfed by Joe. Joe here is a dog again. The greyhound. Greyhound here is a breed of dog. Joe, the dog, is greyhound there, and all his friends. Now who are the friends of Tricky here? All the dogs. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. So what the dogs did? Whenever they see a new dog, what the other dogs do? They try to trouble the dog. Here all the dogs were rolling him up and down. He also rolled, and after that all the dogs moved to the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Tricky slowly was moving along with the other dogs where they were going. And here the author has used the word surplus fat. Surplus fat means excess fat he was having in his body, and he was rolling slightly, means moving very slowly. Later that day I was present at the feeding time. So when it was feeding time, the doctor also was there. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. Tristan here is again the name of the servant who looks after the dogs there. He slopped. Slopped means spread the food for the dogs in the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. Now all the dogs knew, as soon as the food is put into the bowl, they have to rush. If they are not going to rush, what will happen? They will not get food. So all the dogs rushed there, and they were trying to have their food. Now like human beings, you plate them in the separate bowls you give and ask them to eat from that. Will the dogs do that? They finish their bowl and rush to the other. So all the dogs is to struggle to eat. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, looking casually inside one or two of them. So what Tricky did, he saw what all other dogs were doing. After all the dogs completed their meal, he went to the bowls and he started licking the bowls. Next day an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. So next day the doctor, what he did, he put a separate bowl for the dog Tricky. And the doctor was so much happy when he saw Tricky going to the bowl to have the food. Jostling means pulling and pushing. Even he was also struggling from the dogs to have his food. From then on, his progress was rapid. So now the Tricky was progressing in what? In his health. It was very good changes in his body. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in the friendly scrimmages. So nothing was given to the dog, but what it is to do? Daily it is to run with the dog. Friendly scrimmages. Scrimmages means here a rough and smooth struggle. Dogs will not be friendly. What they will be doing? They will be either biting one's tail or pulling and pushing. But it was in a friendly mood. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on and squashed every few minutes. So the dog was enjoying when other dogs were pushing him, jostling him, moving, throwing him here and there. He enjoyed that. Bowled over, all of you know, trampled. Tramped means crushing him, and squashed. Squash means also crushing. He became an accepted member of the gang. Unlikely. Silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at the meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. So now he became a member in the group of the dogs, and he was looking very silky, and other dogs were all looking a little bit rough. Shaggy means full of hair, but he was also having hairs, but it was shiny. And what he used to do, even he also used to fight like a tiger for his share of food, and in the night it is to hunt even the rats. He had never had such a time in his life. So the doctor here, what he is saying, never Tricky had such a time in his life. All the while Mrs. Pumpere hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. Now what is the condition of Mrs. Pumpere? See, she Hovered. Hovered means always she used to move anxiously at the background. And she used to ring daily a dozen times to the doctor. How is the dog's progress? I dodged the question. Dodged here means the doctor neglected or put off the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. So what she used to ask, ringing up, is his cushion changed daily? Is his clothing according to the weather? So the doctor is to neglect all these questions and is to answer only this, that really your dog is progressing very well and he'll soon recover from illness. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. Convalescing here means no recovery. When she heard the word recovery, now she thought I should do something for the dog. And what she started doing is she started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozens a time, to build up Tricky's strength. So she started bringing eggs, 2 dozens at a time. She used to bring eggs. Why she used to bring? Because Tricky could eat and build up his strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast, but when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibility of the situation began to dawn on the household. So now who were eating these eggs? Do you think Tricky was eating? No. The doctor did not give Tricky. Why? Because again his condition will become bad. He was kept on a strict diet. Now whatever this Mrs. Pumphrey was sending, these 2 dozen eggs were eaten by the partners, the servants, and even the doctor. Daily they used to have 2 eggs at the breakfast. Till then everything was okay. But after that, what Mrs. Pumphrey started doing, she started sending even the wine also. Now after drinking wine, you know people how they behave. So it became somewhat difficult even for the doctor to manage. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Now why Mrs. Pumphrey was sending egg and drinks? To increase his blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. Now how the doctor and their servants, how they used to have lunch? First they used to take 2 glasses of wine and they used to have their lunch, and during the lunch they used to have number of drinks. It became like daily, it was a party day for them. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to a full final edge on Tricky's constitution. Already eggs were coming, wine also started coming, now next brandy started coming. For a few nights the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. So what the author was saying, for few nights they were drinking even in the night also. Reverently drunk, with respect they were drinking. There were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So the doctor was saying the days were of deep content, means they were totally satisfied. Morning 2 eggs, afternoon wine, and night brandy. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. So the doctor, what he is saying, if they keep Tricky, it was like a temptation. Now if daily you keep a pet, and for the pet daily eggs, brandy, wine is coming, what the people start doing? They will be tempted to have all these things. And even the doctor, what he is saying, once he also felt to keep him as a permanent guest. But do you remember how much days the doctor told he will be keeping, he will be having Tricky hospitalized? For 2 weeks. So after a fortnight means already I told you a period of 2 weeks. After a fortnight, the doctor called Mrs. Pumphrey and told, now your dog is okay, you can take your dog back. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew outside the surgery. So within minutes, 30 feet of gleaming black metal. Now what is this 30 feet of gleaming black metal? It is a car. vehicle which has come to take Tricky back to house. Here gleaming means shining. The chauffeur opened the door. Here chauffeur here means no, the driver. He opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumpelly almost lost in the interior. So as soon as the driver opened the door, the doctor could see inside Pumpelly was there. She was sitting inside. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. So she was holding her hands like this and her lips also were trembling to see the pet. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? So first word she asked the doctor. Really say me, is he better? Yes, he's fine. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. So the doctor told, don't worry, your dog is fine and you did not come out of the car. I will bring him. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ear flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. So the doctor walked from the house to the garden, and in a group of dogs in the between, he saw there the dog Tricky. It was flapping its tail, and he took Tricky to Mrs. Pumpelly. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. So in a little time of 2 weeks, the dog transformed into a lithe. Lithe here means flexible, and his muscles also became strong, and he was also able to keep up with the pack. Pack here means I already told you, it's a group of dogs. And his chest was almost now brushing the ground also. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms into a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumpelly's lap. Now the doctor took Tricky to the car, and as soon as the chauffeur is the driver there, he was already opening the door was open. As soon as Tricky saw Mrs. Pumpelly, it jumped into her hand. She gave a startled hope. So as soon as she saw the dog, she said, "Oh," and then to defend herself, as if swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. So she was trying to protect herself. You know, dogs will be having even the nails also. It was jumping on her, trying to lick her and everything, and barking also. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coat, bowls. None of them had been used. So she was with the dog. The doctor took the chauffeur, the driver, into the house, and whatever Tricky's bowls, dress, cushions, everything were brought and put into the car, and nothing was used of all this. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumpelly leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. So when the car was moving away, Mrs. Pumpelly, she leaned out of the window, and the doctor was able to see tears in her eyes. Her lips also trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." So here Mr. Harriet, she's saying, "Thank you very much, Harriet." She seemed to say that. And it is really a triumph of surgery. Triumph means, I told you, it is victory or achievement. Actually here no surgery has been done, but the dog has been taken to the hospital, and Mrs. Pumpelly thinks that going to hospital, it means surgery. But it was a victory of surgery according to Mrs. Pumpelly. So this way we come to the end of the lesson. Thank you, students.